In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a button in Notion that adds a page with a single click. First, open Notion in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're signed in. Give the page a moment to load so everything is synced. A quick tip before we start. The slash command in Notion is your shortcut to inserting almost any block. We'll use that to add a button. Next, navigate to the page where you want this button to live. This can be any Workspace page where you'd like to generate new pages quickly, like a project dashboard, a content calendar, or a personal notes hub. Click into the spot where you want to place it so your cursor is active. Now press the / key, type the word button, and select the button block from the menu that appears. Notion will insert a configurable button block right on your page. Give your button a clear, action-oriented name so it's obvious what it does at a glance. Something like Add New Task, Create Meeting Note, or New Idea works well. Under the Do section, click New Action, then choose Add Page To. This action tells Notion to create a brand new page when the button is pressed, and it will take you directly to that newly created page. If you're adding to a specific destination, make sure you select the appropriate page or database, so your new pages are created in the right place. This keeps your workspace organized and ensures you don't have to move pages around later. Once that's set, you're essentially done with configuration. Click away to close the settings and take your button for a spin. Press the button you just created and you should be taken straight to the new page generated by that action. That immediate redirect is helpful because it lets you start typing right away, perfect for capturing ideas without breaking your flow. If the button isn't where you want it visually, you can drag it to a more prominent spot on the page. And if you want to refine the text on the button or tweak the action later, just hover, open the settings, and make any edits you need. That's it. You've created a simple, reliable button in Notion that adds a new page and jumps you right into it with one click. Use it wherever you repeatedly create similar pages, and you'll save time while keeping your workspace tidy and consistent.